Julian is looking for his Easter egg hunt. He's looking for his hidden Easter eggs. Warmer, you're getting warmer. 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 Hotter. Yay!
Another peanut butter egg? Yay, I love them. So
Hobie. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, puppy. Oh, big yawns. Hi. Did you sleep good? Yeah, did you sleep good? Come here. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry to wake you up. Oh, those yawns are out of control. You got a feather in your hair. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, you are. You're so cute, Hobie. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Mwah, I love you. Oh, you're so yawny. So I just woke up, and yes, I have my makeup on from last night. Don't judge me. But I have a broken blood vessel in my eyeball. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what happened. I might be dying. So it's me. Whew. Oh my god, I can't stop sneezing. I've sneezed probably 600 times today. My allergies are out of control. I just took a Claritin and a Zyrtec, and I'm about to go home and take some Benadryl.
Hello. It is 9:03 in the morning. I had to wake up early to finish a paper. Let's do it 11. So I'm drinking a smoothie that I made with like strawberries and spinach and bananas. It's green but it tastes good. I got some coffee that I also made with my French press coffee pot. And yeah, I'm just working on my paper. I think I'm gonna try to download that app thing you have so I can make my video cool like yours. Hope your morning's good. Love you.
Me is mean. Why you gotta be so mean?
don't be mean, show up.
You build me up, you break me down. My heart is bending. Tick-tock on the clock, the party don't stop now.
I just spent the last hour washing and sanitizing dishes. How exciting is that? Woo!
Hello, this is video number 2 of the day. Do you remember Austin?
Hi. We had a great time at Tai Tai together. That one magical night.
I'm gonna tell you about my day. After I talked to you, I got my paper done. I think I did an okay job on it. And then I went to class, and that was boring. And then I went to the library, and then I went to the gym and worked out, which is, I'm on this new thing where I do that. It's
And I'm
weird.
going to join her.
It's weird. I also had like a smoothie for breakfast and like a salad and fish and, whoa.
The girl in her house got ringworm.
Who?
Haley, you didn't know that?
Ew. Ew, she lives next door. Well, what else did I do? And then I went to a speaker about having like jobs, like international jobs, but it was all about political stuff, which is not what I want to do. And so that just kind of made me be like, oh, I'm never gonna make money or be a person in the real world. But then I realized that I don't want to be in politics, so screw that. And then I came back to the house and I took a shower. Now I'm gonna go play piano for a little bit and then go finish my homework and go to bed.
With me, probably.
Yeah, because both my roommates have boyfriends, so Austin usually sleeps in Megan's bed.
Yeah, I don't sleep in my bed. My roommate smells like asshole.
My roommates have boyfriends, so we're kind of roommates.
Pretty much.
So, what else did I do? Well, I'm gonna go play music for a while. I'll leave you another one later. Hope your day's going well.
Bye.
Yeah? You go outside? Are you so excited? Oh my goodness, go inside, go potty. You want me to come too? Yeah. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go ahead. Okay, so I just made my lunches for this week. And this one right here is a delicious quinoa salad with cherry tomatoes and parsley and mint and olive oil and pepper and cucumber. And it's really delicious. This one is edamame and radishes and parsley and dill and artichoke hearts, and it's delicious. And this, you can't really tell what it is, but it's Greek yogurt with candied ginger pieces in it and orange zest to pour over my blackberries for dessert. How delicious does that sound? So this is the Norfolk sunset. Really pretty tonight. Oh, so pretty. There's Nauticus in the Wisconsin. Look at my two pretty bushes. I don't know what these are called, but they're super pretty.